Hello everyone and welcome to Post University and CTC101BS Section 61. My name is Eric LaCharity and I have the honor and privilege of serving as your faculty member this term. What an exciting time this is. I am really excited for what you are about to go through as students here. This course, CTC 101, is really built for your success. It's going to teach you all of the fundamental skills that you need to be successful as college students. So as we make our way through these next 8 weeks, just really take some time to breathe, take some time to think about where we are, what we're doing, what we're trying to accomplish, and really make the most of this experience. Each of the units that you're going to go through is going to have really pertinent and important information for you that will lead to your ultimate success as students at Post. You have a supporter in me, someone that you can reach out to, someone that was there to guide you, someone is there to support you, but you also have a class full of students who are going through this experience with you, people who you can communicate with. We're going to be doing discussion boards as a part of this class, and it's really important that you utilize each other in that capacity. Talk to each other, share your stories, share your past experiences, share what has made you successful, tips, tricks, whatever it may be. Just know that we are all in this together. Again, I am here for your success. I am here to support you. You need to let me know what I can do for you over the course of this term. And if we do all of that, we're going to have a great experience. You're going to be successful and you're going to be on your way to bigger and better things as you make your way through this term and through your time here at Post University. Again, welcome. I'm so happy to work with you, and we will see each other very soon. Thanks so much. Bye.